in this video we are going to solve 20 true or false questions related to the electricity chapter class 10, and stay connected with us. We are going to give so many objectives of science chapter. So here we go. State whether the given statements are true or false. Now question 1. Ohm's law does not apply to radio valves and transistors. You have to just answer true or false, and the answer is true. Now question 2. An ammeter is always connected in series in the circuit. True or false? And I think you all know it's true. Now question 3. A voltmeter can only be connected in series in the circuit, and the answer is false. Now we are going to ask question 4. A voltmeter has low resistance, and its answer is false. The given statement is false. Now question 5. Current is a vector physical quantity. Vector physical quantity, and it's false. Now we are going to ask question 6. The charge of an electron is larger than a coulomb. I repeat, the charge of an electron is larger than a coulomb, and it's false. Question 7. A kilowatt hour is larger than a joule, and I think it's true. Yeah, it's true. Now question 8. An electron volt is larger than a joule. You have to answer, and the answer is false. You will know in the next question. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Is it true? No, it's false, because it's 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule, and it's true. Now question 11. The positive and negative charges produced by rubbing two materials are equal in magnitude, and the answer is true. The materials in which charges move easily are called insulators. No, it's false, because they are known as conductors. The material in which charges are bound are called conductors, and it's also wrong. That is known as insulator. The ohmic conductor do not obey Ohm's law, and the answer is false. If you don't know the terms, then search on web. The reciprocal of resistance is known as specific conductance, and it is false. The resistivity of a copper wire is infinitely large, and it's false. Now question 17. The resistivity is measured in ohm meter, and it's true. Now question 18. A voltmeter is used to measure electric intensity, and it's false, because it measures the potential difference. The SI unit of electric intensity is N, and it's false. EMF of a cell is expressed in joules, and it's false. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and I'm sure that you have learned so many new terms and topics, and you have seen so many new questions. So just subscribe the channel and write down in the comment how many marks you got, and subscribe to get notifications on time, because I am uploading many objective questions for class 10.